LetterWorks 2.0. Designer's Gallery makes embroidery easy for everyone, no matter what your level of expertise is. Designer's Gallery is compatible with the most popular brands of embroidery machines. LetterWorks 2.0 is a Designer's Gallery tool pack that enables you to easily add digitized lettering to any embroidery project. Add text and monograms to your favorite designs, or create custom lettering to use on its own. LetterWorks includes over 130 fonts with a variety of options. Some fonts include running and satin stitch outline options, as well as a variety of fill options to accommodate any size letter, from the smallest to the largest. Take advantage of the easy-to-use text handles for unlimited editing. Size, rotate, italicize, and skew your text to achieve a unique look. Edit the text as a whole or by individual letter. Like most tool packs, LetterWorks 2.0 must be launched through a platform such as Design